Today in the livestock, we had cattle a little bit lower right now. Funds continue, though, to add to the long positions here. Now, even though the market's a little bit lower, it did start out higher, kind of carving out yet another new high. We got up to 187,575. We did have a $2 range, and so it seems like every time the market rallies, it gets knocked down a little bit, some profit taking, but it's still looking pretty strong right now. I think there's a couple of things to think about with today's market. It did extend Friday's range on the high and the low. Usually that may mean that there's a reversal like coming here, except for the fact that the highest open interest on the calls is at 190 strike. So could that be a target? It's only a couple dollars away. That could very well be. So we're kind of at a wait and see moment, and I think it's something to kind of keep an eye out. On the live cattle market, the CVOL is at 13.7%, so a little bit lower than it has been. Now, feeders were up. They continue to rally. That cash trade really jumped up $4 to $6 higher, giving the market some plenty of support here. Futures were up, 275 at one time. At one point, we carved out a new recent high at 249.90 before pulling back a little bit, but still looking very strong. The market strength is growing, and the trend continues to move higher. CVOL on the feeders is at 14.7%, so that's still pretty strong. Now, hogs today were a little bit mixed. The demand assessment was a little uncertain coming out of the weekend here. The futures had only about a 90-cent range today. We traded on both sides of unchanged pretty much, but the futures seem to be trying to find some equilibrium in this correction that we've been experiencing for the last couple of weeks. Perhaps we found it today, but the rest of the week will tell. CVOL for the lean hogs is at 23.3%. So a little bit of a sluggish start to the market, but overall, livestock still has plenty of strength in it.